Look at that modified vehicle. Oh, almost fell. We got another one behind us. I can't bike. My phone in one hand and camera on the other. M-A-K-I. Might be your grandma, grandpa. Alright. Man, he's lucky he didn't. Look at that thing. What? Did I see them stop and slow down for us? Oh, balls! We're now in the town of Alden. Building permit required. I hope I got a building permit. Look at that mighty fine lady behind me. See this? This is what you call a hard-working woman getting passed by a dog. Oh yeah. Speed limit 5.5 miles per hour. See that? They should really move them little bolts, because I think it's 5.5. I could be going through here 5.5 miles an hour. And holy, get these fast little people. Yeah, that happens to me a lot, but oh well. We're coming up to my house. Oh, we got beer cans in the ditch. Little litterers. Actually, don't cut me off. Oh, Tan, you're hiding. Hey, you're hiding like a tiny pig. Give you a 5-star. There's something. Oh, that's a tree. Ain't no tree, that's a deer stand. I didn't mean that. I meant tree. See that house? That's a family. That's family. And this house right there that I'm zooming in on, they got like 13 kids. Man, they like to pop them. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. I guess. It's probably unzoom. Man, we're going to have to edit this video because this is really long. And I'm vibrating again. Wait till I get to my house. Wait till I get to my house to edit? Why? Just this. Stop. What if I fell? Hit a pothole and pop! Pop another one. Nah, I ain't gonna fall. I'm very, very good on bikes. I'm not. I hit a mailbox. I hit a park truck. Alright, we got a car behind us. We'll beat it. Just beat it. Oh, we got Mountain Dew. Yeah. I had to throw my Mountain Dew because the stupid bartender got ketchup all over it. Yeah. You can't stay in the bar without parents. What the hell is up with that? Going back to my house. We're almost there. Yeah, a car coming out. I see the car coming behind us. There's my neighbors. My house is way in the back. You'll see we're pulling the driveway. Ash is back there just tooling around. See this road? We took this road to Star Prairie. So we're gonna go by. Don't worry, I'll show you it. Going down the middle of the road. Oh, we got a car behind us. This is the road. Huh? I just cut off the car, and I'm gonna fall. Lucky I didn't die there. Probably flicked me off. Don't cut me off. I'm riding one-footed and one-handed, and I ain't fallen yet. This is called skill. Here's my house. Down my long driveway. Pine trees. My shed. My other neighbors. They're queer. A swing set? I like to swing on that. My American flag. Gotta praise the Lord somehow. Oh my God! Oh! My butt hurts.
Ow!
Ah, she just hit her toe.
My flag got yellow.
Oh. Okay. See that? Gazebo. I wish the hot tub was filled. Alright, 1, 2. Into the shed.
My legs feel like yellow.
Oh. Hoofda. That was amazing bike. Okay. Good. Well, and the sucker when we get... Oh man, I can't even feel my feet. Look at them. Doesn't even look like I got pants on. I do. My garage. And my house.
Those are Mama fried chicken.
Yep. Look at these mighty nice muffins. They're actually pretty good. Gerald's birdhouse. I'll go show you mine and Ashley's room. We roommate together. This isn't my parents' house.
You go back to college.
This is Jacob's when he stays with us. This is our guest bedroom. I think they're sleeping. And here's our room. A green peace sign. My modified mirror. Look at me.
Beautiful kid.
Oh yeah, you want to see our kids? Our child. Right there. That's our family.
Is this after your mama with your blonde hair? Maybe she dyed it.
They have brown hair. And our basement. This is where this is called the woman cave.
Oh, I forgot to show you the bar where I get drunk every Friday night.
This is the woman cave.
Mama and Papa room just going out. And they come to visit.
It's a little dark. Turn on the lights.
Oh, Jesus, another.
The mirror.
Oh, wrong light.
Wrong light, duh. Oh, this is called this is another part of the woman cave. Oh, we shoot some pool. The bar stools.
The guys think it can be the man cave, but
It's really the woman cave. Right?
yes.
That's not our calendar. I ain't even gonna show you it. Or the Sports Illustrated.
Cut the light off.
And lights.
Other light.
Oh, I didn't turn that light on. It's a little dark now. Sorry if you can't see. She's gonna scare me. Oh God! Oh God! Alright, and this will be the end of our video for now. We'll start over later.